blueberry pie time.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified when I make delicious recipes.
Now, let me explain to you a story. Me and my fiance are in quarantine. We're like, what should we do? So we went on a bike ride, and on our bike ride, we turned this corner and we found this random blueberry farm, right? So we picked like a ton of blueberries, and I was like, what should we do with this? And he's like, you should make a blueberry pie. And I was like, I've never made a blueberry pie before, but I can try. So then I made a blueberry pie, and let me tell you, it changed my life. Okay? It was so delicious. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay?
Now we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you always run it under cold water. And play with them a little bit. All the dirt will sink to the bottom. Look how fat these blueberries are. Oh my goodness, look at this.
Why? B music.
We're gonna go ahead and put 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 of a cup cold water,
Why?
3 tablespoons cornstarch, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and mix that until you have no lumps anymore. Now once you don't have any more lumps, we're going to go ahead and add 3 cups of blueberries. And you want to mix that until it turns into a purple squishy jam. Look at that blueberry. Like, have you ever wondered why blueberries are purple? What? Oh, baby. Look at that. That's exactly what you're looking for. A thick jam consistency. Okay, once you have that beautiful purple jam, we're going to go ahead and add our last 2 cups of blueberries. The reason why we're doing this is because you want to make sure that your blueberry pie filling has a little bit of texture. We don't want that soggy blueberry filling. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of lemon. I know it sounds weird, but you just have to trust me on this one. Go ahead and mix that until your butter is all melted. Once the butter is melted, you can take it off the heat. Okay, now your blueberry pie filling is done. But wait, we have to transfer it over to a bowl. And you're going to put it in the fridge for about an hour or so. If you see me dancing at all in this video, I was absolutely dancing to Bad Bunny. Mind your business. Okay, at this point, it is your decision whether you want to make homemade crust, which is 100% better, or you can use this pie crust if you're being lazy on a Tuesday just like me. Now, some people use beans to weigh the pie crust down, but honestly, I just make holes in it. It's a lot easier and it's a lot less waste. Now, to be cool like me, set a timer for 20 minutes on your Apple Watch. Baby, look at that golden brown. Charlie, you like that golden brown? Yes. This is the best part for getting creative. I just did a lattice pattern, but you can honestly do anything at this point with your dough. Alright, you're gonna go ahead and put your pie in for about 20 to 25 minutes, but honestly, I'm not a fan of timers. I just watch the pie until it's golden, brown, and beautiful.